Good morning, children. This lesson is for Class 6 for the subject of Physics, chapter number 3, from your textbook Concise Physics, Selena Publications. It is being submitted to you on 26th of July 2021. Today, we are going to discuss the advantages and the disadvantages of friction. Begin with disadvantages of friction. Friction always opposes motion of a body over another. Frictional force between various parts of a machine produces heat and noise. Hence, there is a loss of energy. As a result, the efficiency of machine is produced due to continuous use of machinery causes wear and tear of its moving parts. Vehicles give less mileage because a part of the fuel consumed is spent in overcoming the friction. Our shoes and tires of vehicles wear out due to friction. There are some methods to reduce friction. You may reduce friction by making surfaces smooth and polished. Furniture is polished so as to reduce friction. By using lubricants such as oil and grease, the moving surfaces of machine are made smooth. Oil or grease is applied between the moving parts of the machine. This fills the fine pores or depressions in the surfaces and thus reduces friction. To play carom, we sprinkle fine powder on it. The fine powder acts as a lubricant and it reduces friction between the coins and the carom board. By using wheels and rollers, we can easily pull a heavy suitcase because wheels and rollers reduce friction by transforming sliding friction into rolling friction. Rolling friction of wheels can be further reduced by using ball bearings and roller bearings. The bodies of aeroplanes, ships, boats, and cars have a streamlined shape which help to minimize frictional force due to air and water. In nature, the shapes of fish and birds are streamlined so that they can easily move in water or air. The bodies, which are narrow in front and then gradually broaden till they again become narrow at the tail, are called streamlined bodies. Now, after this, let us discuss some advantages of friction. Friction plays an important role in our daily life. Few examples are: one, you can walk on a road because there is a friction between the road and your shoes. You can write on paper using your pencil because of friction between the pencil lead and paper. Due to this reason, it is difficult to write on glazed paper. You are able to light up a matchstick only due to friction. Cars, bikes, and buses run on the road because of friction between the tires and the road. Moving vehicles can be stopped by applying brakes only because of friction. No buildings can be constructed in the absence of friction. Nails and screws hold the wooden boards together due to frictional force. Thus, some friction is necessary for our daily activities. Are provided on tires of automobiles in order to increase the friction. This minimizes the risk of skidding of automobiles on wet, slippery roads as well as at sharp turns. Also, athletes and mountaineers use special type of shoes. Pipes are provided in soles of their shoes so as to increase friction and prevent slipping of athletes. With this topic, I'm ending up today's lesson. Thank you, children.